ECDL Advanced, Access, Lesson 25, One-to-one relationships. A one-to-one relationship is used where one record in one table is linked to only one record in another. This can be used to split a large table with many fields, or if part of a table needs to be removed for security reasons, or if the second table contains optional data which is not always required. Okay, let's go back to the customer computers database that we were working on in the last lesson, lesson 24, and we're going to create a one-to-one relationship in the customer computers database. So first, let's create a table in Design View. Create Table in Design View. We're going to add two fields. The first one is going to be called Job Number, and the second, Charge. The Job Number field will have a data type of number, and the Charge field will be currency. Let's make the job number field the primary key. So select on job number and then primary key and save the table as cost. Next, let's open the Relationships window showing the existing relationship. So, Database Tools, Relationships, and use the Show Table button to display the dialog box. Select Cost, then click Add, and it'll now be added to the Relationships window. OK, close the Show Table dialog box. If necessary, reposition the cost table and then make the link between job number in the repairs table and job number in the cost table. Because each of these fields is a primary key, this time in the Edit Relationships box, the relationship type is one-to-one. Click Create to return to the Relationships window with the new relationship displayed. As mentioned in the last lesson, the relationship can be deleted or modified in this display by right-clicking on the connecting line and selecting either Delete or Edit Relationship. OK, close the Relationships window, and when prompted, save it. Then let's open the Computers table. Each record now has an Expand SubData Sheet button. Click the Expand SubData Sheet button next to the first record. The related repairs table is shown. Notice that serial number, the related field in the second table, that's the foreign key, is not shown. So serial number is shown here, but it's not shown on the expanded version. There's also now an Expand button in the repairs table. Click on it. The cost table is shown for this record. Right now there's no data in the charge field. Add a charge of £50 for this repair. Let's try to add another charge for this repair. Remember, there's a one-to-one relationship in force, so only one charge should be allowed. A warning dialog box is displayed as shown. The changes you requested to the table were not successful because they would create duplicate values in the index, primary key or relationship. Change the data in the field or fields that contain duplicate data, remove the index, or redefine the index to permit duplicate entries and try again. Click OK once you've read that. And to get rid of this useless information, click the Undo button at the top, or alternatively press the Escape key. The extra entry is deleted, and the SubData sheets can now be collapsed. Open each SubData sheet in turn and add charges for all repairs. Okay, once we've done that, let's close the table and the database. Okay, that's as far as we're going to go with one-to-one relationships. I hope this is making sense, and next time in lesson 26 we're going to be looking into many-to-many relationships. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.